Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why you need this wireless docking station. This YOXINTA 3-in-1 fast wireless charging station dock is so cool. I love how much it has decluttered my nightstand. It is so easy to use, just USB to USB-C cord. That's all you're going to need, and you're going to plug that USB-C into the actual docking station. And what I love too is that it does fold very flat, so it's very convenient, very easy to travel with. And once you plug in that USB-C cord into the back and you set it up, you are going to be good to go for your fast charging. It does have an anti-slip, and it is case friendly for the phone, so you're not going to have to worry about it slipping off. And you'll see that the phone and the watch are just charging right up. It does have this place for the AirPod. Also, you can turn that light off if lights do bother you. I love this for myself. I love it for a gift. Just all around a great charging device. So I really love this wireless docking station because it has helped me declutter my nightstand, and I just love that it charges all of my devices at once. It's so convenient, and I know that you will love it too, and that is my point of view.